Guys, we are back with the revival of this old gray square body behind me. And in today's episode, we are going to try to see if we can get this thing to crank over. We got a new battery, and then we're also going to wash this thing and vacuum it out a little bit. And then we're going to look at the fuel tanks to see how hard it's going to be to drain the fuel out. All right, let's get started. All right, we're going to slap these battery terminals on. We got our ground hooked to the alternator, and then this goes down to the starter. We got positive here, negative. I'm gonna slap these bad boys on. Okay. If I was on the positive terminal right now, I'd want to be really careful about touching the metal like that, or we'd have some sparks. I guess we could go ahead and slap the whole down on now, since probably forget to do it later. All right, cool. Well, should we see if this thing keys on? All right, we're gonna key on. Ooh, we got a light that came on. That's an aftermarket gauge there. Let's bump it. Oh yeah, we got antifreeze like is full. That's cool. And it's green.
No, you can tell.
So that's a good sign. It's a horrible spot. Ugh. That looks pretty bad. Actually, okay, it's dark at the bottom. It's a little over full. Okay, well, it's got a wall in it.
Yep. Yep.
Well, heck yeah. It turned over pretty easy, so let's check some other things. Looks like the turn signals are working. I do hear something clicking down there. Huh. So the turn signals work. Why don't we see if the headlights kick on? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, looking under the truck. Looks like we got some MagnaFlow exhaust on it. Coming straight from the headers. There's the transfer case. Looks like we're missing the front drive shaft. There's some fuel lines coming from the other tank. And then we have this cover over what's probably the fuel tank selector. So we'll see if we can tap into the lines there to pump the fuel out of the tanks. All right, it's time to wash the truck, and we decided to have a car wash. All right, let's do it. Man, this thing cleaned up pretty nice. Pretty happy that the engine turned over and it sounded pretty good. We did some vacuuming and cleaned up the interior a little bit. Of course, if you remember from the first episode, this bed was just completely full of junk. We got that cleaned out for the most part. So yeah, this thing's cleaning up pretty nice. I think in the next episode, we're gonna look at draining the tanks and then see what it's gonna take to get some fresh gas in there and then try to fire this thing up. Probably gonna have some carburetor issues, but hopefully we don't have spark issues. So if you guys aren't already following, hit that follow button. We'll see you guys next time.